Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. I am going to unbox a ring set, a bridal ring set from Jeulia. Usually when I do these unboxing slash reviews, I would do a wear test on these rings, but today is going to be a little different. I got the rings to give to a friend. After I send this to her or give this to her, she will do the wear test and then she will give you the review of the ring. She's a small YouTuber from the Philippines. The rings that I'm going to show you today is from Jeulia. Of course, you know how much I love Jeulia. I talk about Jeulia all the time. I think they're one of the best ones that I've reviewed because of the price point, and the rings are really holding up. Right now, currently wearing the ring that I first reviewed, which has about 11,000 views on YouTube. So and a bunch of people bought this ring from my review. This is going to be like a mini update of this ring. So they're still holding up real nicely. I still do the same thing, except I take it off when I'm showering, just because of the bar soap. I don't like cleaning it as much anymore because I'm done with the testing. But yeah, it's all the stones are still there, still beautiful. There's no wear test here, it's just unboxing. So you get a box like this. Of course, I kept the packaging, the bag where it came from. It was shipped to me from California, still like the first one I got. Inside the box you will get the gift bag, and the gift bag has you have a greeting card where if you want to gift it to someone, and then you have a cleaning cloth inside here, and then this is the gift bag, right, if you want to give it to someone. And then you will get this warning again, like I said before. It's just telling you to not take off the label before you know for sure that the ring fits you. So, and you have a brochure or catalog of the things that they have, and then you get this here. So the ring is inside this. It's a cardboard feel. It is cardboard. You have a Jeulia thing there. It's like embossed, or yeah, it is embossed. It's gold. And so this ring that I'm giving to her, she chose it herself. I told her that I'm going to gift her the rings from Jeulia, and Mary is kind enough to send me another set for her. So thank you so much, Jeulia, for trusting me and for letting me review the rings or showcase your ring again on my channel. Thank you so much. They've been very kind to me, guys. I've had 1, 2, 3. This is my 4th collaboration with them, and they've been very kind, and I can't say enough good things about them. You get 3 in the set. Excuse my nail polish, they're chipping. So you get one that looks like Art Deco, and they are half eternity. Okay, so it's just half. The stones, I can attest that they will last, because I have Jeulia rings. No stones have come off on me despite how I wear them. This is a sterling silver. She ordered a size 8, so you get 2 of them, so you can wear it like that on your wedding day. And then the engagement ring, the tag is still on, as you can see, so I have not worn this at all. So this is the teardrop, or a pear shape ring. It sits low, lower than the other one I got. Nice and sparkly. This is how they look together. Keep in mind, this is not my size. This is a size larger than mine, so it will not look as good as it would be if it's my size. Excuse my voice, I have a sore throat, by the way. Alright. yeah, that's how it looks. This is different from the one that I got before. This one is a nesting one where you get this here. This one is, it's separate. It's so pretty in person, guys. The video does not do it justice. It is very, very beautiful in person. I guess that's it for this video. I will link in the description this particular ring, and I also have a code that you can use if you want to get a discount. I get a little bit from Jeulia. I get paid a little bit if you buy with my code, but you don't have to use my code. It's just there so that you can get a discount if you want to have 15% discount. But they also have other discount codes. So choose whatever would give you the most discount. So I know they would have buy one get one free offer or 20% code on their website. So use whatever is best for you. Mine is 15%. It works all the time, and also it doesn't have a limit. Like no matter how much you bought, you will get 15% off. So that's it for this video. Again, I'll link this in the description. I will link my friend's YouTube channel so that you can check her out. I will make sure to also update you with a link to her video whenever she uploads a review about this ring, right? So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video is helpful to you. Just this video, I think, is going to be helpful in terms of how it would look in your finger and how big the stone is. Again, thank you so much, Jeulia, for working with me and for another collaboration. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.